Rob Kardashian claims ex-fiancée Blac Chyna backed out of a deal that would settle her revenge porn case against the reality TV star, which was scheduled to move forward next week. In court documents filed Monday, Kardashian's attorneys asked the judge to enforce the settlement agreement that was allegedly proposed by Chyna's attorney, Lynne Ciani, on May 23. Sources told Page Six that Chyna was willing to drop the revenge porn claims against Kardashian if he helped her get out of an unrelated lawsuit filed by Pilot Jones, who was one of Chyna's former boyfriends. Jones sued Kardashian, 35, and Chyna, 34, for defamation, cyberbullying and emotional distress in October 2017, claiming the former couple falsely outed him as gay. In the affidavit, Melissa Lerner, one of Kardashian's attorneys, said the revenge porn case should not move forward since both parties already had agreed to settle. At best, Chyna's belated repudiation of the parties' settlement agreement is a strategy to exact monies from Rob at the 11th hour, Lerner wrote in the motion. At worst, it is a tactic deliberately intended to interfere with Rob's preparation for trial and prejudice his ability to fully and fairly present his defense. Such outrageous conduct should not be counseled. In a statement to Page Six, Ciani fired back at Kardashian and his legal team, saying, "Under California law, settlement discussions are confidential. Rob Kardashian has violated California law by revealing alleged details of ongoing settlement discussions." Chyna is permitted under California law to disclose that settlement discussions regarding her revenge porn case against her ex-fiancé are ongoing. When and if a confidential settlement is reached in this case, Chyna will alert the court first and then the media. Kardashian, who shares 5-year-old daughter Dream with his ex-fiancé, testified in April during Chyna's $140 million defamation case against Kim and Khloe Kardashian and Kris and Kylie Jenner. The jury ultimately awarded Chyna nothing for her damages claims, but did find Kris, Kim and Kylie acted to protect their own economic interest. Following the trial, Ciani said Chyna planned to appeal the case. On the stand, an emotional Rob claimed that Chyna beat him with a metal rod and pulled a gun on his head during a December 2016 fight at Kylie's home. "In the beginning I thought it was playful. I didn't think it got serious until the second gun encounter. You don't point a gun on your fiancé's head whether you think it's loaded or not," Rob testified. In the separate revenge porn case, Chyna, whose real name is Angela White, is accusing Rob of using his Instagram to post several naked photos of her in July 2017. During that time, Rob went on a social media rant and said his former fiancée cheated on him during their relationship. Rob Kardashian's Instagram account, with over 9 million followers, was deleted by Instagram after he posted photos of Ms. White's genitals, buttocks and nipples, wrote Lisa Bloom, Chyna's former attorney, in the initial October 2017 filing. In one post, Rob Kardashian said, "This is a pic Chyna sent me before she had another man in her house with my baby in the house and her son in the house. This statement was false and specifically designed to harm Ms. White's reputation by slut-shaming her." The judge has yet to rule on Rob's request to enforce the settlement deal to drop the revenge porn case. His attorneys asked for an emergency hearing tomorrow to address the request and to push back the June 13 trial date should the revenge porn case move forward. Rob's attorney declined to comment.